Hello everyone, my name is Bhabesh and I'm your recruitment manager for Global Banking School. So today I'm here to help you and prepare you for your interview. So let's begin. So the purpose of this presentation is to give you an overview about the interview process and also to make you understand that what kind of question the interviewer can ask you in the interview. So let's begin. So before we proceed to the further questions, for Global Banking School, you need to visit to the campus for your interview and for your test. And for that, you need to carry your ID. So your ID could be your passport, your national identity card, or any driving license with you. And another important point here is please switch off your phone during your exam and if possible hand over to examiner. So please don't engage with your phone inside the test room because if the interviewer see you with the phone, then they will straight away cancel your application. So just take your proof of ID and nothing else. So the interview process for GBS is divided into two parts. So first is writing test and second is oral test. So for writing test, you will get three questions to answer. First question, you need to type 70 words and second and third question, you need to type 40 words, 40 words. Then for oral test, the interviewer will speak to you about 10 minutes and it will be a general conversation. So for the writing test, you will get a computer to type your answer. So for the writing test, the first question will be a general question and for that you need to type maximum 70 words. So the general question could be like, um, if people born lucky, can hard work change destiny? What your opinion regarding this? So if you see this question, you can share any of your experience that if you see someone or you can take your own example as well that how hard work you get how hard work you did to get a good job. It can be example of a good exam. It could be example of a position or any job that you have achieved through hard work only. And then after, um, what do you do in your weekend or what are the regular activities in your what are your regular activities during your weekends? So from the time you wake up in the morning till you go to sleep, you can describe or share any of the activities that you normally do in your weekdays or weekends. And then after, if you see this question that share any problem or challenges in your life that have you faced and how did you overcome with that. So if you see this question, then here you can share any of the example that happened in your past or any challenges that have you faced with your colleague. It could be a video. It could be a problem with your colleague, with your employer, or it could be a problem at home. It could be any problem during traveling. If you find something difficult in your life, so you can share any of the problem that you have faced and how what step you take to overcome with that. Okay, and then might be you can see a journal question related to current affair. For example, what are your opinions regarding COVID-19 or Brexit deal? Then second and third question are the mandatory questions and I'm going to speak about those questions in the later slides. So the third and second and third question will be like that why did you select this course or why you want to study this course and why did you select this university or why you want to study this course in this university. So the interviewer can turn the question but it's going to be the same point. So let's begin. So the point here is that the interviewer or the university they want to see your dedication and your honesty. So try to be as honest or as truthful for your answers. So for that you need to prepare fully before you go for the interview. So after finishing your writing test, the interviewer will speak to you about 10 to 15 minutes and he will start the conversation by asking your name and where do you live. And there are some point question you can see here which are the mandatory questions. They will definitely ask you that what course did you apply with us or what course you want to study with us. So if he asks you, then you need to mention full course name. Full course name is BSc Honors Business and Tourism Management with foundation degree. So if we ask you this question, then you need to mention full course name. Okay, so for that one you need to remember full course name. Then how long is the course? This course is 4 years course. Then after you need to remember how much is the tuition fee and how will you pay for that. So tuition fee is 9,250 and you will apply for the student finance. Then another important question is which institution you are going to study this course. Then answer is Global Banking School. But if they ask you which university will give you the degree, then it is Canterbury Christchurch University. So Global Banking School is associated with Canterbury Christchurch University. So Global Banking School you will just go to attend your classes, but the degree you will get from Canterbury. So you need to remember these question and answer for your oral test. Then main and critical questions for oral and for writing test are as follows. So first will be why did you select this course? So here in this answer you need to mention how this course will help you to progress your career and how this course will develop your skills and knowledge. So here is the sample answer. You can see here on the screen that I have chosen this course to develop my knowledge and inner potential skills. That this course will help you to build so many communication skills, management skills, leadership skills, and also this course is a blended course for business and tourism. So this course will give you a knowledge about both business sector and tourism sector. So this course is high in demand and this course will open so many opportunities for you for your future. So you can see a few points here that this course will help you to fulfill your dreams. This after completing this course you will able to learn about tourism and business management in deep, and this course will also you can also apply for so many private sector jobs as well. So you can see the sample answer here, and also you can create your own answer. You can go website, GBS website, and you can read about the course in detail, or you can check online as well. So I want you to create your own answer for this question. If you need any help, then you can take points from this answer. Then after, another important point is why did you select this university? Okay, so here if in this question you need to only speak about university, that you found this university online and then you find there are very good Google reviews, and the second thing is that location is very good for you, that you can easily travel for your classes. Another thing is that this university have very highly professional and qualified teachers, and the academic staff is really helpful. Who The staff, the university will help you to build your career. They will help you to make job applications, preparing CV and preparing you for the interviews. So this university have a big and vibrant campus. They have access to online libraries where you can spend your time for your assignments, and then you will get a chance to meet new people. So this university will help you to progress in your career. So that's why you are choosing this university. So same, you can select your points. You can go GBS website and you can create your own answer. If you need help, you can take few points from this answer as well. Then after, another important question is what is your future plan after you complete your course? So here you can mention that either you want to start your own business, or either you want to work in a business environment, or you want to work for a higher position. So you can choose any of your favorite company that you would like to work, or you can select a position that you want to work as a manager, you want to work as a team leader, or you want to work as a supervisor, or either you want to start your own business. So when you need to start your own business, you should have marketing skills, you should have management skills, you should have leadership skills, you should have business strategy skills. So that's why you are choosing this course, to build your future career. So these are the mandatory question, but in extra question the interview can ask you that do you have any previous qualifications. So if you don't have any certificate, you don't need to say yes. So if you don't have any certificate, just say I don't have any qualification simply. And then might be they can ask you about your work experience, that what you are currently doing. So you can take the organization name you are working, or you can mention your job position and how long you've been working there and what are your job responsibilities. Then might be he can ask you about yourself, or might be he can ask you about your hobbies and how you spend weekends. So you can tell them about your work experience, about your previous qualifications. You can tell them about your characteristics, what you like most, what is your hobbies, and how you spend your time. So these are general question, and it will be a general answer in simple words you need to answer. So please prepare your questions for the mandatory question and answer in advance. So at last, I would like to say all the best to you guys. I know you guys are much more capable, and um, only hard work can change someone's destiny. So if you didn't prepare yourself before you go interview, might be is little difficult, but I know if you practice with these question and answer, I am sure that you will get a chance to study in GBS. If you have any question, if you don't understand any question, you can contact me and I'm there to help you. So thank you so much.